can you make almost ready? I'm really hungry. Give me your hand. Make me some food.
Daddy, can you make?
Hi, I'm Ember with Daddy Can You Make, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my special banana bread because I have celiac disease and me and my dad came up with this recipe. Well, he stole the idea from me. First, start with 3 ripe bananas. The more ripe, the sweeter they will be. I usually prefer to smash my bananas with a fork, but some other people use like other big tools that make it go by faster, but this is how I like to do it. And I like to mash it up until most of the chunks are gone, but there can still be some chunks. Just like that. Then you're gonna want a 1/2 cup butter, but melted. Then take it over to your microwave. Once you've melted your butter, you're just gonna go ahead and add it to your smashed bananas. And then I like using a whisk to whisk them together. After your bananas and your melted butter are all mixed together, then you're gonna wanna add 2 eggs, making sure you don't get any shells in. 1 at a time. And then you're gonna whisk all of that together. Okay, after you have all those ingredients combined, you're gonna wanna add the vanilla. 1 teaspoon. Then mix that in. It doesn't have to be perfect. Oh shoot. Yes, preheat the oven to 350. There, I had to preheat the oven to 350. I always forget to do that. Okay, then you're gonna have 4 teaspoons of salt. Wait, 4 teaspoons? 1/4 a teaspoon.
Some salty bread.
1/4 teaspoon of salt. Like that. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then mix all of those ingredients together with a whisk. Move your wet ingredients to the side and bring in another bowl for your dry ingredients. And then add 1/2 cup sugar. These are 2/4 cups, 2 1/4 cups. Okay, then without making a mess, you're gonna add 1.5 cups of flour. Gluten-free, obviously. Then using a spatula, a big spatula, combine your flour and your sugar together. Okay, I prefer to put the wet into the dry, especially because it's a bigger bowl. So pour all of it in. I prefer using the whisk to mix the dry and the wet together, but then I prefer using the spatula to scrape it out into the pan. Once you got all that mixed together and all the batter in the bowl, I like to go in with the spatula and I like to scrape towards the bottom because sometimes the flour gets stuck at the bottom and you don't see it until you're putting it in the pan. So just make sure it's all together like that. And your batter is ready. Just use a bread pan or like a loaf. And then you spray the pan so the bread doesn't stick. You learn that from experience. And then using your spatula, pour the batter into the bread pan. And then go ahead and pop it in your oven.
hope you like this banana bread recipe. Thanks for watching, and as always, from our kitchen to yours, happy baking. Until next time.